How's it going today, everybody? Some of you may have seen the post that I made yesterday talking about how I was going to create more channels. The issue that I'm running into is that there's a lot of topics that I want to cover. I want to do, SketchUp, Blender, Lumion, Unreal Engine, and especially Kula and 3D Vista, which are virtual tour softwares. But the issue is that whenever I do this, it kind of alienates a lot of the people that are subscribing to me just for Lumion. I feel like I'm kind of getting too many programs that I have going on my main channel. So I'm going to be branching off and creating a separate one for Blender, D5, which I'm going to start making tutorials for, Unreal Engine, and then also the virtual tour software. So if any of you are interested in learning about any of those topics, I will leave links to the new channels below, and I'm going to start posting on those over the next couple of days. Even though there will be less videos, I guess, on my main channel, they'll be more focused to what you actually want to see. And that's ultimately the goal with these. This will just let me make content that people are more interested in. The issue I'm kind of having is that if there's a lot of people that are following me only for Lumion, then my Unreal Engine course is they just don't want to see it. And so it just kind of clogs up their timeline. And for that reason, I am going to be, as I said, pushing everything off. So hopefully I'll see all of you over there. If you have any questions about it, please let me know. I also changed the colors of the logo so that it's a little bit easier to see, but let me know if they look kind of weird, and I'd love to hear your feedback on that. For now though, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.